For once again, your movie be akwaba Ediba Island Media so. Maybe I will be no na yema wakwaba se unso wa join ye. O subscribe ya na wa share na jumedi adofo so nya bi eti. Besinde ye who said tria up till now ye nya hu ye. Sanso anansem bi asi e parliament na ni na e video bi a ekoda ntenten fidie no so a ye te se obi e ka se daughter of a murderer, which is ye papa the late JJ RAWLING'S and baba or no ma obi e cancer sem say on tenase na o shate up besi ne ye nim nipa kwa o cancer eno ana Kelvin Taylor aba abonten want to be a de man mpanyefo a omo parliament ana say mrahye bedwafie na ensem wo ka e de kom so de enye asam ketwa enti abusia tenase ne hwe dwumade kopim se obewie na wie a na wa subscribe e de amaye eno ti hwe Kelvin Taylor and someone or cano ebi.
So bo parliament or a bo bitimutua. Mobega sound for it to draw for. Mumubi and Quasiafana. Cotodi and budget. Some people want to be treated at some year this year. Ghana one is slave or Ghana. Some Quasia some you say to Chasso. And then we have a member of parliament sitting in parliament to tell us that JJ RAWLING'S is a murderer. Nibaba a daughter of a murderer. Sakwasiano without RAWLING'S in Conte Parliament. Samuel Abujinapo made the statement. And you see, we are not done with this conversation. Bring him to tell us if he heard us, if he saw the person. You see, this cannot just go easily. We cannot just brush it away. No. The Speaker of Parliament that day was the former MP. And that speaker too needs to tell us who said that. Samuel Abujinapo, for now, he is the one who said it. And he has admitted that he said it. Now, if Samuel Abujinapo at a point has come out to say he did not say it, then he should tell us who said it. Afenya Markin should turn around and tell us who said it. The speaker then, the former MP, what's his name? That guy who was presiding, the speaker of the day, the former MP, he needs to also tell us who made that statement in Parliament. Alban Bagman, also fresh out former MP, no? Sit in your seat and ask him at the floor of Parliament that you were the speaker who made that statement. The former MP on a presiding here on a tnaso so akwana ne sia hyekurasi ni no sa esiama no ne sia hye no mumbusa ne say na otesro no who made that statement because he was listening to Afenyo and whatever came through the mic no he heard it. So I want the Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagman to summon the deputy speaker na otia konwom no esiama na sia hye ne say who made that statement. Now, Annoh Dompre, the silly, dirty boy. Time assembly see no, or only parliament. And there, wakotna asempa. And you see, the journalists no, omono a problem in Ghana. Now, okotna asempa no, silly boy Annoh Dompre, they question him about sa statement away from parliament. Muntie, the Annoh Dompre kanye.
The demand on social media, and say, Nipa Enra leak Mike eba our so kase obi a daughter of a murderer no. You say Mokokos no should name that person Ghana for you. Oh, you see, obi ano obi a suspect say you no an about a bit deny vehemently saying you no.
Mina mini chamber.
Okay.
So na me was suspension.
Yes.
A general leader suma me say me no more that was working on that.
Asempa FM.
It's unfortunate say BBC PA. But you see okay, we say okay, you are justifying it. Me nimni pakro or cancer.
Okay.
I will never support Obiso on Kabisa, especially nipa ntiase. Now cancer will remind it when nipa pain. It's most unfortunate, but in our orders, you know. So Obi kasana wan can good microphone. It is not captured by the
by the Hansa.
The Hansa doesn't capture it. You know, we will try. Say nipa na the person should show remorse. So can Bibi cannot wear your side. I don't know. Mimi, I can't imagine so people wear your side. I came from the public gallery. I don't know. So unfortunate. And I'll pay one of the seniors on the other side. Eba miho. You know, catch him says I comment. You know, Anko ye. Inti se ebe timi ehuni pakona na yeni ni panenkasa. Then behind the scenes, you find a way to deal with it. And I'm saying, open you share. I mean, ni chamber honomo. It is most unfortunate. It's a BBC.
But is it possible, say, through investigations mo betime hu nipa kro.
Well, if some call tape no mo G tape no mutimi.
But we're not to the nipa na kasagu mic, it will not be from the gallery. It should be from somebody within the plenary.
Well, he say if we are so minded to find the person, we'll be able to find him. But the meaning should say fear side.
Sir,
I'm not sure. I'm not saying that it's not possible.
Okay, but
I'm not sure say if he side. Sometimes if you will be a cousin, if you are sorry, no, if you are sorry, say sit down. Those things are there. But to the extent that the people cancer has some no dear, the genie say if he side. As a whip, I know my people well.
From the other side, and so it will be strange for anybody to say that.
It could also come from the gallery.
Gallery and came out, sir.
Well,
her microphones near.
Well, you can make that argument, but me the mean gene this if he on your side.
Okay.
But sir, if we launch investigation here, who said if he side out? Yes, sir.
You are the caucus whip.
Yes.
Would you take interest in launching an investigation?
Oh,
you're a part of leadership.
Of course.
Of the caucus.
Before I even answer that question, let me say, even on the quiet, I'm doing it. I don't need to say it on radio, but on the quiet, I'm doing it. Sometimes one of the things.
The journalist Busana say, as samana a bar, my engineer clearly no. Another Dompre say, oh, as somebody there enjoy now ono na oye caucus no whip no NPP side no. Or sure say assembly free MPP ni ho na free eye nipa na mo be share proceedings no. Na journalist to video I share me hwe bi. You otiwo ohun say afejo marking wo obi otiwo on kwasi ade om di journalist ni yeni. The journalist is making the issue look like a simple issue. That is how they do it. You see, they speak behind the scenes and then they come out and treat a very important issue to say just a simple matter. Oh, si biado busa questions. Oh, na say ade etie no there. I say if you mic ni mo yete na kwasi ane to waka say it could be say a free gallery or ebi obi na te ho na onye sure say a MPP ni na ono de onim say but you were not there from the beginning of the conversation. The fool sitting in front of you said no need parliament. So why should we take his account? Why should we take Annoh Dompre's account? And you, the Obi now was still one. Obi na nkakachira wo Obi wo parliament say, oh papa ye medra. And kabachina kachira say, but the TND I say if you side ho, these are straightforward. They made the statement. And you see, omone journalists want to treat important issues to you people no. Omo treating as a trivial issue. It is a National Cathedral issue no. Billions of cities was put in the National Cathedral. On Metina Radio so they treat it as a normal conversation. Sikana mutugu National Cathedral said no, or senka a journalist should be mad about it. Time MPP also Galamsey ekunipa yes excavators yes no area they treated Galamsey issue as a trivial issue. Oh, now say Galamsey they will be a the same will be better teams so Oko Takradia are being a worker at ECG and that it is supposed to be from down bottom or up bottom up. They treat it. And you see, this matter, yan flip a coin no. Senka ye NDC nibi and a what majority side they make a statement where Kadri say this is how the conversation was going to go. Anka ahimfubia sorry at your press conference. I'm telling you. Me say Senka ye NDC nibi conversation was going to go. Treat it. And you see, this matter, excavators, yes, no, area, they treated Galamsey issue as a trivial issue. Oh, now say Galamsey they will be a the same will be better teams so Oko Takradia are being a worker at ECG and that it is supposed to be from down bottom or up bottom up. They treat it. And you see, this matter, yan flip a coin no. Senka ye NDC nibi and a what majority side they make a statement where Kadri say this is how the conversation was going to go. Anka ahimfubia sorry at your press conference. I'm telling you. Me say Senka ye NDC nibi ena ebia subi MP kasa and I say swami MPB kasa and I say ebia yemfa ne say eye bantama MP ana swami MP kasa na obi ewo NDC for mu kasa hey sit down party no a bafo akoto kromfo a ote party bafo akoto kowini bafo akoto okunipa Do you think this was going to be a joke? No. Say, and this didn't make his statement free. Majority stand say, example, say, Bantma MP Kasa, Swami MP Kasa, and I say, NPP, stronghold be MPB Kasa. Na Obia shout every NDC phone say, Kawanutum, Bafwako talk, the Pakum for party. Yeah, where evidence okun. Oje Sanka, Yabatna radio so Edin Common say. Do you think, say, the various account radio stations, anti-fortitus, no, Oji said they would have treated this like that? No. It would have been a mensia conversation. And Quebec say MP Chrono, Yan Fanembra Kumasi mensia no meyano. Yan Tiana Bayo Mikasa one crying. Yamanen Frink mensia. I am trying to let you understand how they are trying to treat this as a joke because it is coming from the NPP. Ain't he? You see, every time, you know, say MPP di bonia, omoko asempa, na omuni obi atena behind the scenes. And then the last we catch your man kobna sante say, oya bema onka John Mahama asem, sika ankokogye no, anka match the video. Omuni obi ni kotena se. Na omakasa obi sesia de we de aye de better na brena se. Also when de mebusa wo say, ye ba wo de mention dan gina we so, gina ha se ni nkwa so. Wo gina ho eka Annoh Dompre, one, he wasn't in parliament. Two, you all be asking the questions. When we say Annoh Dompre said, so what about your leader? He was the one speaking, and he turned around to tell the person to shut up. Do you want to tell me your leader, Afenyomaki, did not see the person? What about the Kobio Chidakon? He also turned around to see the person speaking. So can't you ask these questions? But you know what they do? They want to treat it like a mere normal, simple story because a MPP for and a against Omo. Because men are metesa kunyenwa. I can maybe say Annoh Dompre say you were not there. I'll play the video and say Annoh Dompre, you see your minority leader was the one speaking. He turned around to tell the person saying that to shut up. Do you want to tell me that the statement wasn't coming from your side? Why is the minority leader not telling Ghanaians that he saw the person or did not see the person? Why are you the one here to respond to that matter? Why is Annoh Dompre Kwasia we are? Today, he does not deserve to be in parliament, be answering questions about Aseme Siya no Oniwo. Why should Annoh Dompre be answering questions on this? Because or some stupid whip. But we saw people on radio, on TV. Why is it say the media, they are all moving away from Afenyomaki? Afenyomaki is the best person to tell us who the person was because he turned around and saw the person and instructed the person to keep quiet because he is speaking. Kobio Chidakon turned around, saw the person and told the person to keep quiet because their boss was speaking. It is Samuel Abujina Posa and Noah. He was also sitting right behind Afenyomaki. I don't know to mean can't ni pakro cancer asem no. Na kwasia we betra sempa catch say is from the gallery. Now we from journalist we are boa. Who be Jimmy? Now from say when I can kind him nyansa, ubetumi akyerɛkyerɛ Ghana nsɛmu. Where Jimmy? Now papa na nkobi gina oka say, "Oh papa, or you wudifo a and come busa questions this way." We have seen it. So why are we now posing the question to the minority leader? Because Annoh Dompre Kwasia we no only he wasn't there. Why do we need Annoh Dompre statement? Because indirectly Annoh Dompre no Kwasia pay ya pam the free parliament. Intade na asem here. Omo mote wo no. Afenyomaki na okasa na odane ne ho no. Why no hu no so okasa? And Afenyomaki be ka che se we hu obia. So Afenyomaki se we hu obia de Samuel Abujina po ne ka sa asem no. So Samuel Abujina po say enyo no a ono so be so che se we hu obia. The statement was made by Samuel Abujina po on ne ka asem no. Won de omde journalism ne ye. Won de omde radio ne ye. Hwe Mameka bibi nchiro Annoh Dompre kwatena ho no. This was the reason why he came on radio. And some of the kind here, this was the reason. Mami can't say me true. Time I suspended Annoh Dompre. I didn't suspending that day in one radio. So after I suspended about 3 days, I recall you back no better radio. So I didn't try. It is because they wanted to whitewash the NPP of this crime. So that way, it is against our constitution. So that way, MPP, you know, send the offer MPP na oye penyini, oye hene, oye hima, oye sofo, oye kwasia. Because wo sa nipa no ochena wu a ye beka se wo ohini wei wo ye kromfo wo ye tutu ni ohini a obedi ye no wo ye ahini na obedi no na go se ku to twene because that is what you people are encouraging. And that is what the NPP is encouraging today. Say no more parliamentar. So when you're part of MPP, oh yeah, boa. That is the MPP. Anytime I start a case, me catch them say, part way, they have always seen Obia on your MPP nisa or ya boa. That is the mentality. Omri asha mo matrim, edi asha mo mamini mutrim, edi asha mo nyanu mutrim tina and the Omaka 88. We need to nullify the party. I was say you good party no, you two-tier party we manika 3. Now in 37 years or 38 years, 42 years, no, now you start here for me something else to think about. Say where would you be? But at this point, this group of termites, Nipamu Nankan Kwasiafo, we cannot lead us. It's an insult for anybody to walk to the ballot and say, me kwa kotwa ma MPP. We are buaba. Now, Papa Nankeka Chen say, you can't parliament say he is a murderer. Wako school, wabon woman, wako campaign. We jina di penim wasre omo se kone kodi djuma maye na wako jina parliament na wo papa odi djuma e de ne bra to ho oko prison e ko ntokwa e je wo man si wende kebi ma min kebi wo no kwase bi ba sori ka kire wo se wo papa oye wudifo. You think this is just a joke? That is the MPP for you. And this party no tina omotie no, that is the mentality at the party team. They never respected J.J. Rawlings. They never respected Kwame Nkrumah. They never respected Atamels. They have never respected John Mahama because that is how they are made. They are animals. They are disease. To the extent say, so being MPP near onye nipa. Into we test con and that's how we MPP near we are kwasia. We are kwasia because papa at this point you should know the kind of party you are part of, no, or china yabaka just say wo papa or your monatufo, all because you are sharing an opinion against the party. No, this is a group you are not supposed to be part of. This party was built on tribalism, and your tribe, NPP, and your political party. The new patriotic party was a DND party way. So we are Ghana and you now join the party where you are not joining a political party. You are joining a tribal idea. Now, NDC ni bibe to be parliament. Aka say, ba for akoto o yin £700. Echechere MPP we no. Ba for akoto o ya monatuni o ya kronfo o ya wudifo. NDC ni betu makasa asem no parliament. Uni be so Ghana. Anke beka so we didi otumfo atem. They will move it from politics and bring it home. Now, J.J. Rawlings now, because of J.J. Rawlings, and the 2 for you, 2 for no. You people are insulting J.J. Rawlings, we should keep quiet. Because of J.J. Rawlings, the 2 for is recognized. Yeah. Because the Constitution recognizes 2 for because Obinama Constitution, you need to get it. On Hinibia or Ghana, including me papa, it's recognized by the Constitution of Ghana because President in the buyer no my Constitution buyer and Hinibia recognizing of Ghana. It is a fact. Take it or leave it. Without due respect to any Ahima Morgan, without our constitution, nobody is anybody. It's a then yet trauma as some way you say just a joke, and a journalist will sit on TV and say, hey, inti we are just a gallery in a free buy, inti Cesiano, not yet it's what treaty as some way say that MP needs to be expelled. I will say a permanent free parliament, the constituents or some much letter. Sir MP no or sir speaker now the constituency letter said we don't want this person as our dear member of parliament because Sani Pano Abujina po Samuel Abujina Pono to Abamano NDC phobia so to Abamano Ghana phobia munya NDC for to Aba Ghana phobia munya MPP for to Aba Ghana phobia recognizes our democracy who appreciate J.J. Rawlings' effort no almost to Aba so Abujina po Samuel needs to be dealt with. You get what I mean? Inti sa wona fo no so sore nne. Na so mo so bowra parliament so mo ntia ase. Omo de hye na mo gu nanim ase a. Mo gise betuma so ano. Say awona fo no and love for no tomorrow they get on a bus and they try to strike at parliament. Say yene de hye na oje Ghana si won because in Ghana awona fo na je Ghana democracy si won because ayomo de hye e the fourth republic ba e. Kwase bia de hye for republic ama. Efrifa kwase ampe yi so je ni oba e wan tumi afamba democracy. Kotoka kwasi ampenyi, ontuma famba democracy. All the coups we saw, none of these people were able to give us a constitution, a democratic dispensation Inti awuna for so sorry say Mudi and yedishiatem because we appreciate yedishia and that we need answers. No so bo we parliament or a bo bitimutua. Mobeka sa awuna for the to for. Mumubi mu yankwasiafo ana. Koto de ne budget. Some people want to be treated at some year this year. Ghana when a slave or Ghana. Some kwasiasem you see twitwa so. I will see a twitwa so because some kwasiasem are too much. Some kwasiasem we ni atena ho asososo ema ye di echema bedru hande and then we have a member of parliament sitting in parliament to tell us that JJ Rawlings is a murderer. Ne baba a daughter of a murderer. Sa kwasia no without Rawlings in county parliament. Samuel Abujinapo made the statement. And you see, we are not done with this conversation. This conversation, this is just the beginning. We are going to make Ghanaians understand the say, sa conversation way, say German our democracy is gone. This conversation we need to have this conversation because 2028, 2020, sa video way, I will see a born every day on our shows. Every day I will play this video to remind Ghanaians of what the MPP. I will let Ghanaians always remember the kind of party MPP. This video should be on everybody's phone. We should remind ourselves, said this is a political party. They sat in parliament to tell us Yanni Ghana for said JJ Rawlings obey a democracy. No, he's a murderer. And the Baba a murderer. We need to remind the Ghanaian people. Man, this is a piece of shit I call a political party. I'm telling you, MPP. And I keep telling you, say Sanko Fowe, your mom with space in Ghana, I'm about to say democracy, no. So I'm about to say democracy there. Then we need to make sure we take care of them before they destroy democracy. Because when you're ready, so I'm about to boy me actually man, am I no? Because MPP MPs, no. Do no more to us as we see, no. Someone in Munyansan or protect your democracy, or pay asama. And cause some of them and come only up that I catch and say when they can, but because the 88 pigs. They were sitting with the person who said it. They were all sitting with Abu Jinapo. They heard it. They laughed about it. Why is nobody from the minority telling us who did it? Because it is Samuel Abu Jinapo? Because they don't care. Ghana that is the mentality of this group of termites. And Kwasiafo when they also almost for almost 50 years, 60 years, and you're done with Kwasiafo. We need to nullify this party. I will see a good party way democratically. I will say every Ghanaian to the team say, see my MPP space, our democracy will be gone. Because JJ Rawlings is crank and say a giant one. And we know what they did to JJ Rawlings before he died. Yatiano Mukuno. These are the same people who killed Rawlings. The same MPP. They found a way to kill Rawlings. Until today, so I'm at TV, so at the parliament, catch that will say. And yet, JJ Rawlings is a murderer, and they have evidence. We need to understand, say they have started. So, my MPP to me, Bima, you are done. The message I'm passing to my NDC4 are not to the other side. They saw whoever made that statement. The majority leader, you saw the person. We are going to come to your matter. You can't use diplomacy to lie to anybody in parliament. The NDC front. You people saw the person who made the statement. The NDC group in parliament, the majority side, you were watching Afenyo speak. You people saw the NDC leader in parliament. Mr. Ayaraga, you saw the person. Don't come and play diplomacy with this. I respect you a lot, but some person respecting Andy Ochna. Sit there and don't release a statement. The majority caucus saw who said that. You cannot protect criminals, or else we will treat you all as criminals. I'm sending this message to the majority leader. You were sitting in the front. You were listening to Afenyo. You are a cool, collected person. You were paying attention. You saw the person who made the statement. You people cannot throw Zenato under the bus. You lie bad. You, the leader of the NDC group, Mr. Ayaraga, you saw the person who made the statement. Your chief whips who were with you, they saw the person who made a statement. Majority of you NDC MPs who were on the right, you saw the NPP person who made a statement. We are giving you till Monday. You need to release a statement because you know. Someone like Bujinapo, we know he did it. Someone like Bujinapo, he made the statement. We want you, the NDC, the leader of the NDC, Ayaraga, Your respect from Monday, and I will say your respect, Mao, and I see any respect, Mao. We will dirty you. We will make Ghanaians understand, say, and this now will lead, you are just a criminal as the NPP. Prove to Ghanaians that almost selected you to protect their party and protect Ghana. And I'm sending a simple, respectful message to the leader of the NDC in Parliament. It's simple. You are sitting right in front of Avenue. You are about 140 at that moment. You saw the person who made a statement. You people heard him. Do not pretend. And Ayaraga, don't pretend and act as if say you didn't hear. We want the NDC majority caucus to release a statement and mention the person who made a statement, or else you people will not enjoy this government. You people will be treated as criminals in Parliament. It's simple as that.